vowels. They are like the long vowels, but the sound in the sentence that pen is not much good. Sign उसमें क्या था? That was the heavy sound. They are represented by the heavy dot and heavy dash. But these six are pronounced with light sound. Yani these are the short vowels. They are pronounced with light sound. So they will be represented by first three with light dot and last three with light dash. Place will remain same. First at the first place, second at the second place, third at the third place. Then dash with light dash vowels. First at the first place, second at the second place, and third at the third place. Position will also remain the same. First dot will be written above the line. Second dot vowel will be on the line. Third through the line. Same dash vowel also. First above the line. Second on the line. Third through the line. Now you will also judge. There is a difference between the sound of these consonants as well as vowels. The reason is that calm, but it is cam, is pronounced as K. It is consonant. M is also a consonant, but A, it is a light sound vowel that will be written above the line. The reason is that our first sounded vowel is written above the line. Then bet, B is a consonant, T is also a consonant, but A is a vowel. It will be written on the line. Then B and T, bet. Vowel will be written at the second place. Then ill, E is a vowel, L is a consonant. It will be written through the line. Light dot. In the other three, T is a consonant. Sorry, ये नीचे लिख दिया ना, ऊपर लिखना चाहिए consonant. T is a consonant. A is a vowel, and T is also a consonant. That is ta. It will be written above the line. T and P. Cow. And next is rat. R is a consonant. T is also a consonant, but A is a vowel. U is also pronounced as A. आप देखो अम्ब्रेला में भी यू को आ प्रोनाउंस करते हो, यूम्ब्रेला नहीं बोलते, अम्ब्रेला बोलते हो. J and T, it will be written on the line. Then pull. T is a consonant. L is also a consonant. And U is a vowel. It will be written through the line. T and L. It will be written through. Vowel with downward stroke. Downward stroke क्या है? T, B, T, D, J, F, D, H, D. Those strokes which are written from top to bottom to the downward directions, they are called downward strokes. Downward stroke, it precedes, it is written to the left side and is read before the consonant. But it follows and written on the right side, it is read after, yani later. Now you can take the examples. For example, ape. In case of ape, A is a vowel. This one. Initially vowel, then P is a consonant. It is not being pronounced. Then you have to write down the consonant, only P. And vowel is coming before P, then you have to place on the left side. It is a dark vowel. Then in case of P, P is a consonant, right side, after the stroke. If it is coming before the stroke, vowel sound is coming before the stroke, then we have to write them before the stroke. But it is coming after the stroke, then we have to write them after the stroke. In case of eat, this is a vowel and T is a consonant. It will be written through the line. Eat, third place sound. And we have to write down the vowel at the third place. In case of T, it is a consonant, it is a word. It will be written through the line. But vowel sound is after the consonant, being followed by the consonant, then it will be written on the right side and it is read later. अब in case of aid, aid is a second place vowel है मे वाला. अब क्या होगा, डी लिखेंगे, vowel पहले लगाएंगे, डार्क vowel. अब आता है डे, we have to write down stroke and the vowel will be written after. First place के हिसाब से. Next आता है in case of horizontal stroke. These were the downward strokes. सारे downward है. अब in case of horizontal strokes, in case of horizontal stroke, if above, it will be read first. If below, it will be read later. But आता है key. In case of key, it is a third place vowel. In case of horizontal strokes, if it is standing alone, it will be written on the line. It will not be written through the line, but हम vowel place जो होगा वो third place पे लगाएंगे. In case of key, it is a consonant. It is a vowel. It will be written on the line, but vowel will be written at the third place at the end of the consonant. In case of A is a vowel, M is a consonant. Then M लिखेंगे हम, it will be written at on the line, second place vowel. क्योंकि M से पहले A आ गया, हाँ? But in case of May, M is a consonant, A is a vowel. It will be written on the line and इसमें last बाद में लगेगा. In case of in, this is a vowel, N is a consonant. Consonant एक है तो एक ही लगाएंगे ना, N third, but it will be written before N. N is a consonant, E is a vowel. हम सिर्फ consonant लिखेंगे, vowel हम बाद में लिखेंगे, क्योंकि it is being pronounced after the vowel. Vowel with upstrokes. If placed on the left hand side of upstroke, it is read before the consonant, but if on the right side, it is read after the consonant. अब इसमें भी एग्जांपल देखो. एल, अब क्या है, एल लिखेंगे हम. एल में क्या है, पहले आपका वॉवल आ गया. एल जो है कंसोनेंट, ये तो प्रोनाउंस नहीं हो रहा. फिर अब क्या लिखेंगे, एल सेकंड प्लेस वोवल है, पहले लग गया. अब ले में एल कंसोनेंट है, ए वोवल है, अब बाद में लिखा जाएगा. अब इसी तरह से वे है, वे कंसोनेंट है, ए वोवल है. अब वे के बाद बोला जा रहा है, बट आवे, आवे में क्या है, पहले कंसोनेंट है, सॉरी पहले वोवल है. दिस इज वोवल, इट इज कंसोनेंट, ये फिर वोवल है. तो हम दो वोवल लगाएंगे. वे को स्ट्रोक एक है, वे एक पहले वोवल लगेगा, एक बाद में. पहले लाइट है, बाद में हार्ड.